Ella Thomas over there is a little bit of weak rotation into that. I'm kind of watching it really closely. We could have a phone cloud any second. We've got rotation all the way to the ground according to radar, so we got to watch this thing. We don't know what we got here.
Moving in a southeast direction about 6 miles per hour. Again, it does have fuel around 648, in Dibble at 649, Lucky at 649, and Bluff Springs in 651. Again, we've had some weather that's popped up because of the humidity. The storms that started up in the cab has moved its way down. Looks like it was losing a little bit of intensity as it was coming through the cab county. Now it's re-intensified with some strong lightning, some damaging winds, also hail, and that is what has triggered this severe storm warning. Again, it's not warm, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning for the majority of DeKalb County, the north central portion of Warren County, and the eastern part of Kent County. Now, over in Kent County, the areas that is affected by this warning are the Woods area, the House Acre area as well. Looks like they made it out of the path of the storm that is south of there. In DeKalb County, the storm is right at the DeKalb County line this morning. Again, it looks like it's starting to pick up some speed now. It'll be in Stewart Chapel at 6:40 in 10 minutes. The Lucky Community at 6:44. In Dibble at 6:48. At Bradford Crossroads at 6:51. Earlyville at 6:53. Gas at 6:51:03. Again, looking at the radar. Lab HD from weatherlab.com, the area that is in the warning area for
That core would be unexposed a little bit more.
Gas.
Yes!
The cap, the eastern portion of the city, 45. Again, due to the southeast direction.
Severe thunderstorm warning came out for us a second ago.
The updated position is now
moving 16
miles per hour southeast. Again,
picking up speed, it's going to hit me a lot sooner than I thought.
Damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, and it is got ground to cloud lightning. So as well. Again, it is moving southeast at about 18 miles per hour. Again, in about 3 minutes,
DVD storm off to the right or left.
Then at 6:42, it'll be in Lucky. 6:50, it'll be
picking up a little speed. Well, I think it's lost rotation. I don't see any more indication of it, so hopefully we'll be able to get through this before it happens.
At 6:53, later at 6:50. As we look at our radar lab,
I'm looking at the area that I was looking at earlier for rotation, and we have a little bit of lightning coming out of it, so we might even have something starting up in the clouds. We could have a mid-level rotation on the storm.
Kent County,
that tornado warning could be issued in a minute.
6:45 this evening. Again, we're watching a weather situation develop as you know, it's a summer daytime
Just issued a tornado warning for Warren County. It's right over my house, and I can see it from here.
Warren County.
I'm trying to get through these freaking traffic right now. I'm trying to get close as I can.